Hey guys, my name is Atharva and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple comic book. It's very easy, so let's get started. So, the first thing you need to make a perfect comic book is you need some borders. So, I'll just draw some borders right now. So guys, I'm done making my border, and now let's talk about the other steps that we need to do. So first, you need to select on which idea you're going to make the comic on. So I'll just show you a comic that I had made earlier. So this is the comic that I made earlier. So let's look. I've got the topic over here, and the comic that I'm going to make today is a second version of this comic, but I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this comic, how to make a comic. So first, write down the topic, then think about the storyline and what is going to happen in the story. So step 1, borders. Step 2, the topic for the comic. Step 3, the script. So this is the comic, and then you can end it. If you want to give your name, you can give it over here, and the border is up to you, how thick you want to make the border or how thin. And then after you have drawn, then there are steps in the drawing. So first step, select your character, how you will look. So I had already selected my Tentacruel character will look like this. And if there are any more peoples, I'm sorry, I'm speaking bad English. So if there are any more people or characters in your story, you can draw them. As you see over here, this was a zoom out shot, so I drew stickman people over here also, and then that is that. And after you've written the storyline or you've drawn it, then you can move on to coloring. So let me write the story, and the comic that I'm writing is going to be the return of the Tentacruel. So let me just do that. So guys, as you can see over here, I have written my title for the comic, and one thing I wanted to tell you is that if you ever wanted to write like this with letters with space in them, and you could color them up. So just first draw the main letters, basic lines of the letters, and then outline it just like I have done. So moving on to the drawing part. So guys, I have written a little bit on the paper, and as you can see, we have to make different blocks, you can say, or you can call it a panel. Ignore the background noises, it's raining over here. And then it has to be bordered like this, or you can try your own type, but I like it to be bordered. It's also in this one. In only this one I filled the borders up with black color. Oh god, it's raining heavily. So you can make some drawings. Here I've made a whale with scratches of Tentacruel, and then I'm gonna write it further. So but that's the way how you make your own comic book. And at the end of the video, which is after some seconds, I'll show you the full drawn comic but not the colored one. I'll show you the colored one in some other comic book video. And I'm going to show you more of my comics. So get prepared for the whole drawn one. So guys, the comic is complete. You just have to outline it with a black sketch pen or a pen, color it, and then the comic is complete. So I'll just show you the whole comic. Let me zoom in. Let me focus. And now, if you want to pause the video, you can pause it. And thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Hit the like button and then subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the videos further. Bye.